As still as the morning, ARTEZA stood, silently watching as snowflakes fall to the ground. He treads carefully without making a sound. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I am collaborating with my good friend Laurie. I have been wanting to collab with her for a while. She is such a sweet lady and she is super talented. Just look at her work, they're really colourful, original and unique, and she also uses nature just like me. She does lots of Dollar Tree, Farmhouse, seasonal, holiday decor, which I know everybody loves. So once you're done watching my video, check the description box for her video and her channel. I'm going to be using some of these. These are balsa wood. I'm going to use these two long bits that were in the bundle. And I'm also going to use this as the base. I might have to cut it, so I've got my little mini saw here. I've got my hot glue on, so I'm just going to stick this and I'm going to form a triangle to begin with. Now I'm going to be using another bundle that I have. These are grapevine sticks. I'm going to measure them and cut them to size so that they can stick inside this triangle that we have. I'm going to take my little saw and I'm going to cut the back piece, all of this part of the wood, because I don't need that and I just kind of want the focus to be on the front where we're going to be decorating. I think that looks much better now. Now I'm going to take a small wooden topper just to start, and we're going to add it to the top. Now we're going to take more wooden star embellishments, and it's kind of nicer to go with different sizes if you can. So I've got some here in medium and then some smaller ones. I've also got some bigger ones, but because I used a big one here, I just felt like it wouldn't go, so I'm going to stick with a medium and small size, and we're going to stick them on here, maybe on these parts as well. Now I also wanted to add that you can paint this if you like. I have acrylic paint pens, but I kind of want to keep it plain like this. I really do like the natural wooden look. You're going to need some wool pleat. This is going to be our artificial snow. So you're going to grab some out. And you're going to thin it, because you don't want it to look like the pleats that they are. I'm just going to add some hot glue. You can do this with Mod Podge as well. And make sure to get to the back as well where the sticks are. So we're going to cover the entire base and then we're going to fluff it out so that it looks more natural and realistic. Now I've fluffed it all out and I've made sure that the back is all covered nicely as well. I've also brought it down to the sides at the front. And now we're going to add some glitter, and I've also got these little mini stars as well. I think that they will look nice on there. So here's my glitter. Just adds that bit of magic to it. Don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's really beautiful. I'll just bring you guys down so that you can see the detail. Now I'm taking some of these wooden trees. I've got 2 in the big size and then I have 1 smaller one. I'm just going to glue them down. I'm going to have 1 here, 1 bigger one, 1 smaller one facing this way, and then 1 at the end as well. We're almost finished now. I am taking this wooden stag topper. I'm just going to remove this because I don't need it, and then we're going to secure him onto the base again with hot glue. And now to finish up, we're just going to take some fairy lights and wrap them around. And here's the finished project. It's so magical. I really love it. If you know me by now, you would know that I love miniature scenes. I also like winter. There's just some magic about it. Fairy lights, everything natural. So this is like I have made myself a gift basically. I feel like this looks quite high end as well. It would probably be really expensive being sold at Christmas markets, craft fairs and such. So you can definitely create this to sell or gift or use as decor. And look at how magical it is at night. I really love it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my good friend Laurie. Take care. Bye for now.